So this is night number 2.
Hello, Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Orlando Resort.
Yeah. Can you tell she's thrilled? So we were here a week ago.
Yes.
It was a lot of fun. So this is the 3rd week in a row. Well,
Yeah.
3rd week for
us. Yeah.
Anyway.
We just did Chucky, our 3rd house.
Yes.
So we're gonna try to do each house maybe twice. That's our goal, maybe for the night. I don't know. And then get more snacks and just kind of see what we do. I don't know. I'm just putting it out there. But if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we are really thrilled. It is Halloween season. Hey, I'm afraid that there's gonna be some goblin that walks by. We're like tucked away, but like it's close to a scare zone, so you just never know what's gonna happen.
No, we're not that close. We're by Chucky.
We are. But we finally got a chance to say hi because we
started at Stay and Scream.
Yeah.
We were in the line for Exorcist. That took a very long time.
It did.
Then we went to Dueling Dragons. We finally did the ice, and then we just did Chucky. So now we're like, ugh.
Yeah. So when you do Stay and Scream, you're basically running from house to house to house to house because the lines are not long at all.
Right.
So, but I think it's time to go back to Yeti. I think our return time is now.
Yes, but don't forget to subscribe. Watch the whole video. Don't forget to like it because it puts us higher ranking, and we want more FEBA members because we love you guys. We love seeing those comments and all the interaction.
Yeah, and don't forget to comment, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification.
Yes.
You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. So, I took a bite of my sandwich and it was like, you're not going to record?
We're at Minions Cafe.
Yeah, we're in Minions Cafe. Look at these things. Aren't they cool? Amber got the roast beef sandwich.
There's different ones too.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm not sure what this is. Cheese is for. I don't know if you use it for the tater tots or the sandwich.
Yeah, she got like a straw with the cheese. And Amber's watching the Husker game. Well, yeah. I knew what I meant. And then, excuse the bite. Amber wanted to try my sandwich. And then I got the kids' meal. As you guys know me, I'm picky. But look, this thing is really cool. Look at it. It's a Bob chocolate with chocolate ganache and all that good stuff.
We've never been in here.
No, I know, it's really cool. So, if you look around, look at that. It's really cool. So, we'll get back so that Amber can watch the football game, and then we'll check in with you guys maybe after we get done eating. So, so we're done. We didn't eat.
I ate like maybe half my sandwich. It was not that good for me. I did not like the taste or the flavor. I liked the cheese that was on it, but whatever that extra sauce was,
What about the hash browns?
I mean, they were okay. They weren't like
Luckily, everything costs $26. Yeah,
But your grilled cheese also have the same sauce.
yeah, I won't eat here again, ever.
It might be a while before you come back.
Yeah.
Like you said, you always give it 2 chances.
Yeah, but
For us,
yeah, for sure. So it's going to be a pain to do every house tonight. Look at this.
Okay, so maybe we'll do it once instead of twice.
Maybe. Stranger Things is at 1:30.
But it's also early in the night, too.
True.
And it closes at 2 a.m.
Yeah, and Yeti's at 1:05 right now. So Amber, she told me, hey, have you seen the Death Eaters? And I remember like a few years ago when HHN 29 was happening, that over in Hogsmeade you could actually see them. They had a whole show. Yeah, over on the other park.
Oh, I was like, we're in Diagon Alley in Nocturne.
But they would come out and they would go, rawr, like that. I don't know. But now they're in Diagon Alley. Are you ready? I hope they come out when we're here. I know, they're pretty cool. And I think everyone's waiting because if you look, there's a whole bunch of people here. And you know, they're not waiting for the dragon to blow fire. But look, they have like a little fog machine. Hopefully they come out. Looks pretty cool. The problem that I feel is that because we don't know where they come out from, you don't know where to stage to see them come out. So I don't know. I know. It's like potions. Amber, I wonder if they have love potion number 9. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. They're not out yet. What to do?
Will you check back later?
Yeah, I think so.
search for the legendary glowing skull of souls has taken you indeed.
So, found a cool spot. Look at all this Chucky merch. That is really cool. It looks like it's a box of the doll.
You missed it. They were leaving, I was like, yay! And they came up and they're doing all this stuff, and I was like, yay!
What the hell?
I told you not to leave me. They're cool. They come up to me and like treat me like, yay!
I left to come over here to look at Chucky
I
and
told you not to leave.
oh, that's why everyone's wearing this hat. Everyone has like this hat on. Oh, look at the coveralls. You should get them.
Coveralls?
Yeah, right over there.
I was literally all by myself, like, yay! In the dark.
Chocolate with raspberry color flavor.
See what happens when you leave me?
Yeah, good things happen. All right, comment down below if you think Amber should wear this. Let's see what it looks like. I know, but look. That would, yes. Yes. Oh, cool. I'm your friend till the end. And then over here, I know, we're missing the chainsaw guys. And then there's Chucky right there. That's really neat. Well, night 2 is in the books.
Yeah, we ended it a little bit early just because the lines were at least 60 minutes
Yeah.
the whole night. They all went up to like 120. So just keep that in mind for a weekend. It can get pretty busy.
Yeah, I think for now, I think we'll wait to see how Saturdays play out. Sundays might be better. See how work schedule works out, where we go
Yeah.
during the weekend.
There are some nights where we just might go with us and not bring you guys, because we don't want to have so much HHN content out there as well and have the same thing over and over. We want to provide something higher quality and
Absolutely.
you know, things like that. We don't plan our days, you guys know this. But if you made this far, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment, guys. We're trying to do a couple of different things. I know the last couple of years of HHN we've done like videos for just the scare zones and all that kind of stuff. And I mean, if that interests you, we can do that.
Yeah,
just
leave
comment down
comments.
below.
We're doing it not like that this time, just to try different things out, like Brian was saying. But we love seeing those comments, you guys. It makes our day. Don't please like not just this video, but all the other videos too, because it gets you higher up into the list. Because we want our videos known for other fan band members to join this awesome community that we have with you guys.
Yeah, and even if you comment, it actually helps that out too. It just stuff too.
It's all free, so if you can please.
It costs you nothing, and it just rewards us and all that kind of stuff. So we, from the bottom of our heart, we really do appreciate everything, guys. We have no idea. When we first started our YouTube channel, I never thought we'd be to the level that we are now. So
yeah, we are a very small channel, but the people that we do have, you guys are freaking amazing. It's such a great community, and we just want to expand it even more because everybody's so positive. And if you are negative, we don't take it that far. We're usually like happy-go people. But if you can just please be nice about it, and we'll take it into consideration and try to make things better in the future.
No, for sure. But guys, with that, we appreciate everything. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. Don't forget to like, comment, blah, blah, blah. We've already talked about that. And with that, we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.